Hello, and welcome to What is Crypto? I'm Matt, and this is Crypto. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Casper, ticker signal KAS. But firstly, a little bit about the channel. Here I give to the point crypto information and education and talk all things crypto. I like to keep it short and sweet. So if that sounds like it could be for you, then smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below. Cheers, legends. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Now let's get into it. Alrighty, firstly, let's look at the chart, and it is a beautiful one. So as we talked about, very similar pattern to what we saw last time. So descending triangle, and as soon as we got that breakout, bang, explosive move to the upside. Also a couple of key levels that we've got. Big one that we've just broken through here at the 13.1 cent mark. If we can ideally retest that, hold that mark, then I think we are going to see some pretty awesome price growth to the upside. I expect another explosive move similarly to this move here, or similarly to this move here. That was in November 23, where we went up from about the 5 cent mark to the 15 cent mark, and on February 6th, where we went from about the 9 to 10 cent mark all the way up to our all-time highs at 18 cents. So measuring up, those were 200% gains and around 100% gains. All right, so now let's have a little bit of a look at some other things that we're looking at in the market. So obviously Bitcoin, most important thing, we want to see Bitcoin continue to increase in price. Now, key levels for Bitcoin are around the 71K mark, which we're at, but really want to see us hold the 69,000 mark. So our old all-time highs, super important level for us to hold. If we can hold above our all-time highs, I think then we're going to break out into price discovery. So really the levels that we're watching for are 69K and 73K. I wouldn't be surprised if we chop around in these ranges for a little while, but if we can break out of the 73K and hold above, I think we're going to quickly see 80 and then 100K over the next few months. Now, if that happens, I think Casper is absolutely going to explode. If we see an 80K Bitcoin, we see easily a 25 cent Casper. If we see 100K Bitcoin, I think Casper's going to 50 cents. So I think this one is absolutely going to rip, and I think Bitcoin is going to do a lot better than 100K. I won't give my exact Bitcoin price prediction now, as I'll have to evaluate the market as it comes, but really low end, I'm thinking 100 to 120K. That's my low end. So yeah, I think a lot of how I'm going to be timing the market is based on some other metrics, which I have in my Discord. Discord is free. I'll link my Twitter if you want access to my Discord, totally free. Send me a message on Twitter and I'll add you into the group. I would just link my Discord, but I don't want too many scammers to come into the Discord section. So yeah, I'll link my Twitter, flick me a message, I'll add you in. Not too active at the moment, but there's about 15 to 20 of us in there, and there's some pretty good information. I want to grow a pretty cool community of people that love Casper, but also people that love all things crypto. I do talk a lot of meme coins in there as well. I like to get a little bit degenerate, but yeah, also just have a bit of a chat to you. So if you want to ask me anything, get me to have a look at your portfolio, get me to have a look at a couple of your plays, then yeah, feel free to jump on in there. But anyway, so we've talked Casper, we've talked our price breakout of the descending triangle, we've talked key level that we want to watch for is holding the 13.1 cent mark. We've talked Bitcoin key levels being 73K and 69K, that old all-time high. Also thinking that we're going to chop around in between that until Bitcoin really shows its hand. I'm personally hoping that we get one more little pullback, allowing me to buy some more, scoop up some more great deals, and then go into price discovery mode. The other thing that I want to talk about is Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance, I've covered this on pretty much all of my videos recently, but I'll cover it again quickly. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart, these yellow vertical lines are the Bitcoin halvings. What Bitcoin dominance shows is it shows the strength of Bitcoin compared to other altcoins. So when Bitcoin dominance decreases, that means that although Bitcoin's price is increasing, the price of altcoins are outpacing that of Bitcoin. So what we do usually see after the halving is we see a little bit of chop for a few months, and then we see a sharp decrease in Bitcoin dominance. And this typically marks altcoin season. So when Bitcoin dominance starts to sharply decrease, Bitcoin's going up quite a lot, but altcoins are going up significantly more. And this has happened after every Bitcoin halving, about 2-3-ish months after that. Definitely not an exact science, but it is a pretty good estimation. With Bitcoin dominance, currently we've been in this range since around January. Now we want to see us break out of this trend to the downside. And I think if we do that, then what I'll be looking for is I'll be looking for altcoins to start going absolutely parabolic. So really keeping a close eye on this currently. Now we have had a really good candle, which is a red candle there, but once again, that means absolutely nothing until we break out of this trend. So yeah, that is something else to keep a close eye on. Keep a close eye on Casper, keep a close eye on Bitcoin, keep a close eye on Bitcoin dominance, and also keep a close eye on the Ethereum news. So if you're not aware, the Ethereum ETF's deadline is in a couple of days. We are either going to get rejected or accepted. If we get accepted, altcoins I think are going to go pretty parabolic. If we get rejected, I think that's largely been priced in, but it'll probably have short-term negative effects on the market. Whew. That is me for tonight. That was just a quick recap of what I'm seeing in Casper, what I'm seeing in the market. So thank you so much for watching, legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and hopefully I'll see you in my free Discord. Yep. Free for now, but it might not always be. But yeah, cheers, legends. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next one.